Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machines. Here I'm making a video to show a 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. This is the machine. 10 ton of ice flakes within every 24 hours. The machine is equipped with one 50 horsepower Bock compressor, air cooling condenser, and this big drum is the machine's ice generator. Ice flakes come down from the ice generator. This machine is with compact design. The compact design makes the local installation become very simple and easy. You can put this machine into use after simple collection with the water and the power. It is plug and play. We can see the machine is with a very big air cooling condenser. This is the one. It's very big. And this big air cooling condenser is equipped with 6 big air cooling fans that allow the machine to work very well in hot tropical areas. The air cooling condenser has gone through chemical treatment to be more anti-corrosive. The chemical treatment make the condenser to be more anti-corrosive. That greatly extend the condenser service time, and the condenser remain efficient after long time use. You can even use the machine in the shore near sea with sea wind. It's anti-corrosive to sea wind. In the shore near the sea, you always have the best fishing and the seafood industry. Again, this is the machine's ice generator. This machine's ice generator is specifically designed to make thick ice flakes. Ice flakes are more than 2.2 millimeters. Thick ice flakes are stronger ice flakes, because thick ice flakes can last for longer time and they are with more cooling power. Your customer prefer to buy your thick ice flakes, not your competitors' thin ice flakes. Of course, they spend the same money to get more cooling power. Okay, now I'm going to share with a video to show thick ice flakes coming down from the ice generator. More than 2.2 millimeters. Very thick, well frozen ice flakes. Good quality ice. Good quality machine.